Okay, so for today's lesson, we have harmonic sequence. Okay, so our objective for this day is to identify harmonic sequence and find the specified term of a harmonic sequence. Okay, so when we say harmonic sequence, it is a sequence of numbers whose reciprocals, take note of this word, reciprocals from an arithmetic sequence. In short, when we say harmonic sequence, you will just get the reciprocal of the given arithmetic sequence. Okay, so as you can see here, we have an example of arithmetic sequence, which is 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and 20. So, para masabi natin na ito ay harmonic sequence, we will just get the reciprocal of each term. So, let's say, the reciprocal of 5, that is 1/5. Reciprocal of 8, that is 1 over 8. The reciprocal of 11, you will just get all the reciprocal of each every term. So that is 1 over 11. And then reciprocal of the 14 is 1 over 14. And then we have 1 over 17 and 1 over 20. So this sequence is what we call harmonic sequence. It is just the reciprocal of the arithmetic sequence. So, yan po yung ating harmonic sequence. Now, let's have an example. Okay, so in number 1 example, we're going to find the 8th term of the harmonic sequence given 1/2, 1/5, and 1 over 8. So, the first thing that you are going to do here is to get the reciprocal of each term to form an arithmetic sequence. So, if we're going to get the reciprocal of 1/2, so that is 2. Because that is 2 over 1, so 2 divided by 1, that is 2. So, that's why 2. 2 is the reciprocal of 1/2. And then 1 over 5, so that is 5. And then 1 over 8, that is 8. Okay? So, after that, we can now find the 8th term by using the formula. Okay? So, what is the formula? We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. This is the formula of the general term or the n term of the arithmetic sequence. So, yan po yung gagamitin natin using arithmetic sequence. Okay? I mean, using this given sequence 2, 5, 8. So, we can now substitute in our formula. So, we have a sub 8 since we're going to find the 8th term. So, that's why our n is 8. So, equals the first term, which is 2, and then plus the quantity, n is 8 minus 1 times the common difference, 5 minus 2, so our common difference is 3 times 3 here. So, simplify your answer, a sub 8 is equal to 2 plus 8 minus 1, we have 7 times 3. So, a sub 8 is equal to 2 plus 7 times 3, that is 20. That is 21, okay? So, we have here, a sub 8 is equal to 23. Okay? So, our 8th term is 23. Since we are talking about harmonic sequence nga, so kanina, from harmonic, change natin from arithmetic sequence. Now, yung nakuha nating sagot, i-change natin into harmonic sequence. So, therefore, the 8th term, the 8th term of the harmonic sequence is, the reciprocal of this is 1 over 23. So, this is our answer. Okay, so next, how about for number 2 example? Okay, so for our number 2 example, we're going to find the harmonic mean between 1/5 and 1 over 35. So, paano ang gagawin natin kapag ganito? Okay, so first, ganun din, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Get the reciprocal of 1/5 and 1 over 35. And then we're just going to find the harmonic mean in between them. So, Reciprocal of 1/5 is 5, and reciprocal of 35, 1 over 35 is 35. So, hahanapin daw natin yung harmonic mean in between these two number. So, the same process. So, to get the average, di ba kapag ganito, we have the shortcut method or the easiest method. Kapag given ay two numbers, we will just add them and divide it by 2. So, therefore, 5 plus 35 over 2. So, we got 35 plus 5, we have 40 over 2. So, that is 20. So, taking the reciprocal of 20, therefore, 1 over 20. So, kukunin natin yung reciprocal niyan. So, that's why, therefore, 1 over 20 is the harmonic mean, okay, between 1/5 and 1 over 35. So, this is our answer. Okay, next. Okay, so let us have example number 3. So, we're going to insert 4 harmonic means between 1 over 9 and 1/5. So, the first thing that we're going to do here is to transform the harmonic sequence to arithmetic. So, kunin natin yung reciprocal nito at nito. So, 1 over 9, the reciprocal of that is 9. And then we will insert 4 harmonic means. And then the reciprocal of 1/5 is 5. So, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So, therefore, we have a sub 6 is, so the value of a sub 6 is 5. And then, the value of a sub 1 or the first term is 9. So, in order you to get the next term, so, or the harmonic means, so we will use this formula. D is equal to a sub n minus a sub k all over n minus k. So, a sub n is the value of a sub 6. So, that is 5. So, a sub k is the value of a sub 1. So, that is 9 over. And then, n represents the term. So, meaning, pang ilang term ba si 5? So, that is 6. At pang ilang term ba si 9? So, that is 1. So, 5 minus 9, that is negative 4. 6 minus 1, that is 5. So, we have negative 4/5. So, kunin muna natin yung mga next term. So, since we have 9 for the first term plus negative 4/5, so we have 41 over 5. And the next, this is for the second term. So, for the third term, we have 41 all over 5 plus negative 4 over 5. So, we have 37 over 5. So, that is for the third term. And for the fourth term, we have a sub 4. So, we have 37 over 5 plus negative 4/5. So, we got 33 over 5. So, for the fifth term, we got 33 over 5 plus negative 4/5. We have 29 over 5. So, meron na tayong nakuhang harmonic means. So, 4 na harmonic means. So, yan yung 41 over 5, 37 over 5, 33 over 5, and 29 over 5. So, now, since we are talking about harmonic, we will just get the reciprocal of this fourth term. So, 41 over 5, so that will be 5 over 41. And then 37 over 5, so that is 5 over 37. And then 33 over 5, so the reciprocal of that is 5 over 33. And then 29 over 5, the reciprocal of that is 5 over 29. So, therefore, the 4 harmonic means between 1 over 9 and 1 over 5 is 5 over 41, 5 over 37, 5 over 33, and 5 over 29. Okay? So, that's harmonic means. Next, let's have the Fibonacci sequence. Okay? So, let's talk about Fibonacci sequence. So, when we say Fibonacci sequence, okay, actually it is named after the 13th century Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci. So, galing sa surname ni Leonardo yung pangalan nitong lesson natin ngayon, which is the Fibonacci sequence. So, each term is simply the sum of the two terms that precede it. Precede, another term for that word is the previous or the previous number. Okay? So, let's say we have the given 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 20, 34, 55, 89. If you will observe the given, so in order you to get the next term, you will just add the number that precede. Okay, so for example, 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. And then, 1 plus 2, the answer is 3. Okay, so nakukuha natin yung next term. 2 plus 3, we have 5. And then 3 plus 5, we have 8. 5 plus 8, we have 13. And then 13 plus 8, we have 21. And then 13 plus 21, we have 34. Okay, so as you can see, tuloy-tuloy lang siya na ganun yung process para makuha ninyo yung next term. So that is Fibonacci sequence by the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci. Thank you.